Okay, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 might finally fix the two biggest complaints Fold users have been talking about for years: disappointing battery life and painfully slow charging. After the Galaxy Z Fold 7 introduced a fresh design and an improved hinge system, two major flaws still remained unchanged. But now, new leaks suggest Samsung may finally be addressing both, and these upgrades could completely change the Fold experience in 2025. According to leaker Crowrow, Samsung is reworking the internal structure of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 to support 45W fast charging, the same speed offered by the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra. This means the Fold 8 will feature a more optimized internal architecture that retains 45W charging while also increasing the battery capacity. This is a massive improvement because Samsung has been using the same 4400 mAh battery since the Z Fold 3 in 2021, resulting in consistently poor battery life in tests over the years. The slow 25W charging only made things worse on the Fold 7. A full charge took nearly 90 minutes, and even after 30 minutes, the phone couldn't reach 50% despite the relatively small battery. Now leaks suggest the Galaxy Z Fold 8 might finally get a bigger battery, with one earlier report suggesting a capacity close to 5,000 mAh. Even a smaller increase would still be a meaningful improvement after 4 generations of the same 4400 mAh cell. However, despite these upgrades, the Fold 8 still won't match Samsung's upcoming Ultra lineup, with rumors claiming that 2026 Galaxy S26 Ultra may jump to 60W wired charging. The Fold 8 will reportedly stop at 45W due to its thinner chassis, thermal limitations, and dual battery split design, but even then it's still a realistic and major jump forward. As for wireless charging, nothing has been confirmed yet. The Fold 7 maxes out at 15W, and there's no indication Samsung will improve that with the Fold 8, meaning wireless charging might remain one of its weaker spots. Since the Fold 7 already delivered the biggest design overhaul in years, the Fold 8 is expected to focus more on refinements. Reports suggest it could bring back S Pen support, improve durability, and an almost invisible crease. And this time, Samsung will be under more pressure than ever, with Apple expected to launch its first foldable iPhone in 2026, which will definitely shake the foldable market. If Samsung delivers on these two long-awaited upgrades, faster charging, and a bigger battery, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 will become a much stronger product and a tougher contender in the foldable space. So, that's the latest updates on the Galaxy Z Fold 8. If Samsung finally fixes these long-standing issues, this could be the most complete fold yet. What do you think? Are these upgrades enough to beat the iPhone Fold? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. Till then, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.